My name is Hussein Ashurov, acting head to political movement Group 24. I would like to appeal to the concerned authority in the Republic of Italy through this video message. A team of Group 24 traveled to your country to protest against dictator Rahmanov, but unfortunately, the team was stopped and arrested by Italian police. While they had the right according to the law. Political movement Group 24 believes that Italy is a democratic country where human rights are respected. We kindly request from the concerned authority to release our team immediately. Thank you very much.